Hey guys, I'm back for another video. New flavor, coconut. You put the lime in the coconut and drink them both up. I just need some limes now. Anyhow, this is going to be a super belch video. Coconut style. Whoa. I just ate before this, so it's going to be a little hard to burp. It's better when you have an empty stomach. It's better when you have an empty stomach and do this, because then the chances of throwing up are low. But, you know, it's really fun to do. Yay! You put the lime in the coconut. You put the lime in the coconut. Kind of tastes like coconut. It's not bad. You put the lime in the coconut. You put the lime in the coconut. Yeah, I did it. And drink them both up. I put the lime in the coconut. Dang it. You put the lime in. You put the lime in the coconut. You put the lime in the coconut. Dang, that's hard, man. You put the lime in the coconut. Why whenever I say coconut, I can't say coconut with the burp. It's always like chunkiness. It's like, what the heck? You put the lime in the coconut. Yay! You put the lime in the coconut and drink them up. You put the lime in the coconut and drink them both up. You put the lime in the coconut and drink them both up. Yeah. You put the lime in the coconut and drink them both up. Call the doctor and woke him up and said, Doctor, is there nothing I can take? Is there nothing I can take? I said, Doctor, yeah. I got too much of this, man. Causes me really a lot of crap in my life. Yay. All right. This might be the end. Whoa! Oh, man. It's too slimy. Man. All right, y'all.